What's up, sneakerheads and style enthusiasts? Welcome back to Promote Style. Today we're diving into a true gem, the Nike Jordan 1 Retro High OG UNC toe. Before we jump into this fire unboxing, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest heat. Now let's talk about where I scored these beauties. I copped them from icystar.ru, a website that's been making waves in the sneaker game. If you're looking for top-tier kicks and exclusive releases, you need to check them out. The link's in the description, so don't sleep on it. All right, let's get into this unboxing. As I open the box, you can already feel the anticipation building. The Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG UNC toe is a tribute to Michael Jordan's alma mater, and let me tell you, it does not disappoint. Let's break down this colorway. We've got crisp white leather on the quarter panels, providing the perfect backdrop for the black swoosh and forefoot overlay. But the real star of the show? That university blue hitting the toe box heel and collar flap. Speaking of the collar flap, check out that retro wings logo on the lateral side. It's details like this that make Jordan brand so iconic. And don't even get me started on that woven Nike tag on the tongue. It's giving pure OG vibes. Now, let's talk materials. We're looking at an all-leather upper here, and the quality is insane. The leather is buttery smooth, with just the right amount of tumble. It's the kind of quality you expect from a high-end Jordan release. But Jordans aren't just about looks. Comfort is key. The product descriptions are on point, giving you all the info you need to make an informed purchase. And the images? Crystal clear, showing you exactly what you're getting. But it's not just about the products. The shopping experience on icystar.ru is smooth as butter. Their website is easy to navigate, the checkout process is straightforward, and they offer various payment options to suit your needs. Now, I know some of you might be wondering about authenticity. Let me put your minds at ease. icystar.ru is committed to delivering genuine, high-quality products. They understand the importance of authenticity in the sneaker game, and they don't play around with that. All right, fam, that's it for today's unboxing. If you're feeling these Jordan 1 Retro High OG UNC toes as much as I am, don't sleep. Head over to icystar.ru and treat yourself. The link's in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, drop a comment letting me know what you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe. This is Promote Style, signing off. Stay fresh, and I'll catch you in the next one.